Welcome to Is It Worth It? In this episode, we have something really cool to show you. It's an automatic pool cleaner that we will be reviewing today. But first, let's talk about the special parts of this brand. So this pool cleaner is from a brand called Extreme. Take a look at this. When I first picked it up, I was pleasantly surprised by how lightweight it is despite its seemingly large appearance. It's quite easy to handle. Now let's take a closer look at the bottom. It's equipped with two super strong rollers and tracks along the side, allowing it to effortlessly maneuver around the entire swimming pool. Here is the key to the lightweight design. This drain flap will open while the cleaner is being pulled from the pool to quickly drain the water. It's a convenient feature for when taking the cleaner out of the water to empty out the debris basket. With this, the cleaner can be removed by any member of the family. Now let's take a closer look at the bottom. There is a suction inlet located in the middle of the cleaner within the focused flow water channel. The wide roller brush at the front and these three pivotable wheel stations create a water flow channel, making the water flow speed impressively high. The high water flow suctions up all nearby debris and instantly sucks it into the debris basket. So let's take a look at the top of the cleaner, which holds the debris basket. Upon opening, you can already see how much larger this debris basket is compared to others in this range. By pulling up on these two handles, we can take out the basket. Pull on this little tab at the front to open the basket. This is the floating water power supply that powers the machine. To use it, we just unscrew the cap to the port, connect the wire from the robot to the designated port, and tightly screw on the black cap. Press this button, and the blue light starts to flash, indicating that it's working. Now let's turn it off. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds, and the cleaner will shut down. To charge the battery pack, disconnect it from the robot. Next to the power button is a little cap that covers the charging port. Now we just plug in the charger to any outlet and connect it to the charging port. There's an indicator light that turns red when charging and then green when it's fully charged. With a full charge, you can use it for about 150 minutes. Now, let's put it to the test. First, put the robot in the pool. Make sure to put the robot in gently, facing up with both rollers covering the water for quicker descent. If you would like, you can use your hand to push it down and rock it a bit underwater to get some of the air out quicker. Now, let's turn on the floating power supply and put it in the pool. While the light is still blinking, put the power supply in the pool. What I find interesting about this cleaner is the way Extreme implemented the battery pack. Normal battery-powered pool cleaners add the battery pack inside the cleaner. This may sound fine, but to fit the battery pack inside the cleaner, they then have to make the debris basket and motor smaller. This cleaner does not compromise on motor power or debris payload by having the battery float on top. You can see this in action when it effortlessly cleans my pool in one run, climbing walls and coves as well. After observing the cleaner for a while, you can see it picking up all the leaves and dirt it roves over. This is exactly what I wanted. As you can see, after a while the pool looks much cleaner already. This cleaner is doing its job impressively well. It has been a little more than 2 hours and the robot has stopped its cycle. I've already attached the free retrieval hook that came with the robot to my cleaning pole. I will use this to lift the cleaner out. One of the great things about this cleaner is it will drive to the side of the pool when powering off, so I don't have to worry about fishing it out or reaching it. Now let's see how much the robot picked up from the bottom of my pool in that one cleaning cycle. Luckily, my pool wasn't insanely dirty, and while picking up everything on the bottom, there was still ample room for more debris in the basket. It honestly probably could have run another full cycle and still not be full yet. It really worked, and can be used by any member of the family with ease. This pool cleaner from Extreme seems truly worth it. Not only does it perform admirably, but it also looks sleeker than our other cleaners. I am genuinely excited about using this cleaner, and I'll be on the lookout for more from this brand. I've heard that they're going to be releasing some new robots soon, and I will be taking a look at them as well. So stay tuned. That's it for today's episode of Is It Worth It? If you enjoyed this review, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting products. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy swimming. Bye-bye.